This is day 3 of my Octopus Energy heat pump installation. The lads turned up again about the same time, just before 8 o'clock. 3 of them left at 3 o'clock, left the electrician finishing bits and pieces. He's now finished, I think, in the cupboard where the cylinder is. He's put the Madoka in there and the thermostat's on the outside of the wall, which I'll show you when we go upstairs. I don't think there's a great deal left for them to do. The electrician needs to do some work. He needs to put a box on the front of the house tomorrow and hook up the power to the heat pump. They put the water on today. The water's running through the system. Did have a couple of leaks in the loft, which they had to quickly turn the water off and sort. But I think that's all sorted now. I'll take you out in the garden and show you what's happened with the heat pump. And here we have the final position of the heat pump. They moved it back for us. It's 355 millimeters. The minimum you can have is 350. So they put it back to there just to give a little bit more room in the garden. It's now been hooked up. You can see there. Power's still not going to us, like I explained. The electrician needs to come back tomorrow and sort the box at the front and connect it in. I'm not going to show you all the lagging again because I had a lot of people moaning about it for some reason, and haven't actually finished it, so I'm not going to show you any more of that. They need to leave it all open like this to test there was no leaks once they put water through. Okay, I'll take you upstairs now. And in the office cupboard again, all work done. Lecky's been in and done his bits, so the Madoka's in. It's not hooked up to the power yet, I don't think. Bits and pieces, more close-ups. There's pressure there as they've filled the tank. The water's running through the radiators again. And I'll show you in the loft. One more thing before we go in the loft. I've put the thermostat on this side of the wall, so just on the side of the cupboard. Was originally going to go in the sitting room, but it would have meant I would have had to get the whole sitting room roof replaced, the ceiling, because it's asbestos there as well. So they said if I was happy I would have it here and wouldn't have to get the ceiling removed and replaced. Okay, in the loft, not much has actually changed here. I think it's just everything's been lagged, or most of it's been lagged. As you can see there, still needs bits finished off. It's just about there. Okay, I'll pick up again tomorrow with day 4.